Thanks to our friends at Guam AutoSpot, we are swooping on in and making things happen for you. We've been talking about it all week long. The credit repair event is going down for you. And we've got our friends from Guam's AutoSpot in the house with us, along with our pals from Creditation. Guys, half a day and welcome to the show.
Half a day.
All right.
What's
Now,
up, Guam? Good morning, everyone.
fellas, you got to bring us in, and you got to bring us in right. Tell us a little bit about what we're doing here today and some of the things that we're going to change people's lives in the upcoming weeks.
All right, so for this month, the month of June at Guam AutoSpot, we're actually holding our credit repair event, and we have a partnership going on with our friends here from Creditation. We got Rods.
Yes, how y'all doing? And good morning. I'm Rod Wilson from CREDIT. Yes, we'll be down at AutoSpot giving free consultations, helping everybody become credit wise.
Wow, that's huge. And Rod, this goes beyond just the normal run-of-the-mill, take a trip around, you know what I mean?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a trip with a purpose.
Yes, sir.
And how does this all work, Rod? I mean, you talk about credit, and I know a lot of people, especially people like our age, us young folk. All right, we're trying to get back.
Yeah,
Everything,
trying
you're
to
right,
bounce
we're trying to continue here and make things happen. And credit is a big part of that. In the promotion that we do for Guam AutoSpot during this entire situation, we say, you know what, if you've been denied in the past, we got to find out why, of course, but we're going to help you get beyond that. Is that what's happening with
Exactly,
credit
that's
cards?
what we're doing. So we're not doing the regular come in, deny, go home, we'll see you later.
Okay.
Come in, you get denied, we fix it up, see what you need, get your dress, put you on the right track so we can get you in the car.
Wow, and that even the effects of that goes way beyond the vehicle as well. I mean, you get yourself
Absolutely.
right.
So, you know, here in Guam, we have a very limited number of lenders on island.
Mhm.
So the options for financing are kind of, minimal.
Mhm.
With this opportunity where a lot of the customers that come in have only like one or two small issues on their credit, and that's where Rods comes in, and it's a perfect partnership because not only is he going to help them repair their credit and help us put that customer in the car of their dreams, but by repairing their credit as a whole, we're actually reaching out and helping the entire
Ooh,
Exactly,
move
exactly.
that bus. This is some extreme makeover stuff we got going on here.
Most definitely.
Move that bus. This is huge. And as you guys mentioned, you know, we talk about things like this kind of from afar. We're like, oh, I wish this could happen on Guam. But it's happening on Guam right now. Credit Titans in the house. What do we got to do? Just got to show up. How
The
does this work?
Titans have landed to
Okay.
the rock. We here.
All right, Thanos. She told me
Whatever
now.
problem you have, we're going to fight it away.
There-
We got you. We got you. The Titans in the building.
She was back here. Yes. Yes.
Amen.
Yeah. Any credit problem you got. Student
Yeah.
loans, car loans,
Yes.
you know, whatever it is.
Divorce loans.
We gonna fix it. We gonna fix it.
Amazing. And again, it happens for you alongside Guam AutoSpot. Guys, let's talk now about the process. How does it work? What do I do? Show up with an ex-wife or two, make things happen?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So all you got to do is come on down and pay us a visit at AutoSpot. We'll set you up with one of our sales executives. We'll take a look at your credit, and if we can get you bought on the spot, then we'll definitely put you in the car.
Okay, so if you got everything in place right now, then things will move smoothly.
Absolutely.
But again, Rod, the team come in. If you've had a harder time,
We there.
for whatever
right there
reason,
on the spot.
man.
Soon as we find out the hiccup, we dress everything, set you up with your analysis on how far, and we looking at a quick couple weeks to whatever that hiccup is to clear that to get you back into that vehicle. Quick turnaround.
And then you and your friends don't have to share lunch all the time. Us three share lunch all the time. All right. Well, there you go. Again, this is just a glimpse into what can happen for you. So come on down. In terms of eligibility, what are we looking at here? Obviously, the younger you are, you should have better credit than moving up in the ages. Is that what the story is? Is there an age limit or anything like that?
There's no age limit, and as long as you got a job and a license, come pay us a visit.
There you
That's
go.
what you need: a job, license, and a residence.
There you go. As long as you got someplace to send you mail, you're going to be okay.
Exactly.
It's phenomenal, and it's happening for you. Thanks to our friends at Guam AutoSpot. Credit Titans in the house as well, this joint venture. How long is this going to be going on for, gentlemen?
I think this is going to be something long term.
Yeah.
Credit Titans is on the island. We here to stay, so we always gonna be around to help you. Our office is located in the Mandapat area, right behind KFC. But the summer event, it goes in.
Into
So
summer.
we get enough cars. you
yeah.
know?
And then we're going to turn it into a fall event and a spring event. Winter event. don't have winter, but we're gonna have a winter.
Hey, we just gonna keep it going. It's summer all year in Guam. That's what I say, you know. So it looks like it's gonna be long term.
For sure. Again, thank you so much for coming in, guys. This is truly a huge, huge opportunity. And like you mentioned, here in Guam, we're surrounded by an ocean, right? There's not many opportunities for us, or at least we think, to get the helping hand. But you're extending it here. And Rod, you're here on Guam, like you mentioned. This is home for you. You're not going anywhere anytime soon.
Here to stay.
So there you
It's
go.
all
We
right.
definitely have an opportunity now. Come on down. Let's get you behind the wheel of your dream car, and let's do it with Guam AutoSpot. Credit is an issue for you in the past. It's not going to be an issue for you. We've got a great team standing by to help work through all of that craziness, no matter how many times. I keep going back to the divorce because that's true, right? It'll get you. It'll get you.
It'll
All
get
right.
you. It'll
And that's
get you.
real life.
Hard.
talk. That's experience talking.
Them
now.
facts.
Okay, so come on through. Let's see what we can do for you. Check them out online at GuamAutospot.com again, or come on down and visit them in East Hagåtña. Guys, great having you. Great discussion. Very, very empowering, and at the same time eye-opening. Is there anything else you guys want to throw out there?
If anybody wants to submit their credit information prior to, you can go to AutoSpot.com to submit your application, but you can also go to CreditTitans.com to submit your application for your credit analysis.
I love it. Thank you so much.
That's GuamAutoSpot.com, and you can also give us a call at AutoSpot to set up an appointment at 478-AUTO.
The team is standing by, ready to make your dreams come true. Come on down and check them out at Guam AutoSpot today. Here's Ed Sheeran, Chance the Rapper. It's Cross Me. You got it locked on. Power 98, good morning. Woo!
Talk to you, play.